Dear students, myself Vishnu Dutt Upadhyay is going to explain the poem of chapter 3, The Naming of Cats. This poem is written by T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot was the famous poet of USA, and he had written a lot of humorous poems on cats. This poem is one of them. This is a humorous poem about cat. Naming a cat is not easy as a holiday homework or a holiday games. The poet has suggested that a cat must have 3 different names, and that is why he said himself as mad as a hatter, means a crazy. Now the first type of name, there should be name for daily use. For example, Peter, Augustus, Alonzo, James, Victor, Jonathan, George, and Bill Bailey. There should be some sensible names for daily use. For example, Plato, Edmentus, Electra, and Demeter. Now, the second type of names is that there should be a particular and peculiar names. By listening that name, a cat can be kept up his tail straight or spread out his whiskers or pride with affection. The particular group of names that never belong to more than one cat. And that names are Monkstrip, Quaxo, Coricopat, Bambalurina, and Jellilorum. Now the third types of name. The third types of name, the cat knows himself. Sometimes we will notice that a cat is in a deep meditation and is thinking about something. You know what he is thinking? His mind is busy in a deep study of his name. He thinks about a particular, a difficult, and a singular name. That name is not so popular, but difficult and singular. And every and each cat wants to have that type of name. So the poet is very interesting in this poem for naming the cats.